Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get IBAN number on Rajhi Bank App. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Now, in order to get IBAN number on the Rajhi app, the first method that you can use is from account details. To do it, simply head over and open up your Rajhi Bank application, then log in using your username and password. Then once that's done, what you need to do is tap on the accounts option from the bottom of your screen, and then once you're inside your accounts, simply select the account that you want to get the beneficiary of. Then once you select your account, you'll find an option that says account details. Tap on that. Then once you're inside your account details, you will see your IBAN number that starts with SA. Now you can either copy it if you need, or tap on share and select the app to share it. The next method that you can use is share IBAN option. To do it, simply head over and open up your Rajhi application and log into your account. Then tap on the accounts option on the bottom. Then once you're inside the accounts, what you need to do is select the account. And once you select the account, here what you need to do is simply select the option that says share IBAN. Then simply tap on it, and then choose SMS or WhatsApp or email, and the IBAN will be shared. So these are a couple of steps that you can do to get your IBAN number. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.